Good morning, friends. Myself, Pradham Naruka.
Myself, Dishi Sharma. We are here to explain the topic mole concept.
Let's start with the defining what is a mole. Let's take an example. If I ask you to bring 12 bananas, then you will bring 1 dozen. Similarly, if I ask you to bring 1 dozen of pulses, you are not able to bring because it is not countable in dozens. That's why they are measured in kgs. Similarly, we have Similarly, our body is made up of subatomic particles such as atoms, molecules, and ions. So they are present in very large numbers such as 10 raised to power 60, 40, 70, and so on. So scientists use a unit called mole to ease our calculative method. 1 mole represents Avogadro's number of an entity. Avogadro's number is universal constant. 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Its symbol is N subscript A.
Let's understand the difference between an atom and a molecule. An atom is a single small particle, whereas a molecule is combination of atom. Let's take an example like H2O consists 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. As we know, 1 mole of chlorine atom consists 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 chlorine atom, whereas 5 mole of oxygen atom consists 5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 oxygen atom. If I ask you a question that how many atoms are there in chlorine molecules, you will say 2 atoms, right? Let's take an example. To find the number of chlorine atom in 2 moles of chlorine molecule. 1 mole of chlorine molecule consists of 2 mole of chlorine atom and 2 mole of chlorine molecule consists of 4 chlorine atom. By this, we know that 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 chlorine atom present in 2 mole of chlorine molecule. Let's take another example. To find the number of moles in chlorine molecule when the number is given, which is 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 23 chlorine molecule. We know the formula that the given number upon Avogadro's number is equals to 20 moles of chlorine atom.
Let's discuss the difference between actual atomic mass and relative atomic mass. First, we discuss the actual atomic mass. Actual atomic mass is the real mass of atoms. It is calculated in grams. Atomic mass is the number of neutrons plus number of protons. Let's take an example. 1 chlorine atom is equals to 35.5 into 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. But it is very complicated to solve with. That's why scientists use relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is the atomic weight or atomic mass of an element that is compared with the 1/12th mass of an atom of carbon. The carbon is particularly number 12. Let's take an example. One atom of hydrogen, when compared to 1/12th mass of carbon 12 atom, it gives 1 AMU, that is atomic mass unit. Now here comes the next concept, molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Unit is gram per mole. Let's take an example. 1 mole of hydrogen atom is equals to 1 gram per mole. Formula to find number of moles from molar mass is atomic mass upon molar mass. It is basically atomic mass is taken as relative atomic mass to ease our calculations method. Let's take an example to clarify our queries. Calculate the number of moles of chlorine atoms in 71 grams of chlorine. Here the mass is given is 71 grams, and we know the molar mass of chlorine is 35.5 gram per mole. The formula is given mass by molar mass. We put the values and we got the answer 2 moles. So basically 2 moles are present. 2 moles are present in 71 grams of chlorine atoms. Let's take another topic, average atomic mass. After discovery of isotopes, अब isotopes क्या होते हैं? Isotopes have same atomic number but different atomic mass. जस्ट चलो एक एग्जांपल लेके समझते हैं. क्लोरीन क्लोरीन के दो आइसोटोप्स होते हैं, क्लोरीन 35 एंड क्लोरीन 37. क्लोरीन 35 75% प्रेजेंट होते हैं नेचर में और क्लोरीन 37 25% प्रेजेंट होते हैं नेचर में. तो हमें उनका एवरेज एटॉमिक मास निकालना पड़ता है ताकि हमें अपनी कैलकुलेशंस आसान कर सके. तो हम यहाँ पे हमने यहाँ पे 35 इंटू 75 प्लस 37 इंटू 25 करके डिवाइडेड बाय 100 करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा एवरेज एटॉमिक मास दैट इज 35.5 which is further used in calculations. Now here comes the molecular mass. Molecular mass is similar to molar mass, but it is defined as the weight of molecule of a substance. मतलब कि एक molecule का वजन कितना है वो डिफाइन करता है molecular mass. ये भी 1/12 ऑफ मास ऑफ कार्बन एटम से कंपेयर करके हम निकालते हैं. तो जैसे कि एग्जांपल लेते हैं, हमें एक मास निकालना है क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल का. तो हमें पता है क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल में 2 एटम्स ऑफ क्लोरीन होते हैं, तो 2 एंड 35.5 यहाँ पे 35.5 जो है वो क्लोरीन का एटॉमिक मास है. तो हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो हमारे पास आ गया 71 डेल्टन. डेल्टन इज द यूनिट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर मास. हमारे पास 71 डेल्टन क्या आ गया? 71 डेल्टन इज द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल. सिमिलरली अगर हम H2SO4 लें तो यहाँ पे हमें सबका इंडिविजुअली अलग अलग निकालना पड़ेगा. जैसे कि हाइड्रोजन हमारे पास 2 है तो इसका मास होता है 1 इंटू 2 और सल्फर का होता है 32. ऑक्सीजन हमारे पास 4 एटम्स हैं तो हम बोलेंगे 4 इंटू 16 और इन सबको ऐड करके हम निकाल लेंगे H2SO4 का मॉलिक्यूलर मास दैट इज 98 डेल्टन. Let's explain it with example. Find the number of moles of H2SO4 in 372 grams of H2SO4. हमें मास दे रखा है H2SO4 का 372 ग्राम्स एंड मोलर मास हमें निकालना पड़ेगा इंडिविजुअली जो कि हमारे पास आएगा 98 ग्राम पर मोल. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हमारे पास आ गया मास अपॉन मोलर मास. हमारे पास मास है 372 ग्राम और मोलर मास आ गया 98 ग्राम. सो here is the answer.
Let's start with the another concept which is molar volume. It is the volume of 1 mole of the gas, but it is only accessible of gas at STP, which stand for standard temperature and pressure. At STP, temperature is equals to 273 Kelvin and pressure is equals to 1 atm, which stands for atmospheric pressure. Volume of 1 mole of gas at STP is equals to 22.4 liter. So we derived a formula that number of moles is equals to the moles of solute divided by the volume of solution. Let's take an example. Let's take an example to clarify that. Calculate the mass of CO2 and the number of moles of oxygen in 62.2 liter of CO2 at STP. So the mass of solute is given which is 62.2 liter and the volume at STP is 22.4 liter. By the formula we find the number of moles of CO2 which is 3 moles. But we have to find the mass of CO2 so that we derived the formula that number of moles is equals to mass divided by molar mass. So the number of moles is 3 and the molar mass of CO2 is 44. So by this we find the mass of CO2 which is 132 gram. But we have also find the moles of oxygen. We know that 1 mole of CO2 consists of 2 mole of oxygen. By this, we conclude that 3 moles of CO2 consist 6 moles of oxygen. When we have to find the number of moles when the number of particles is given, we divided the given number divided by Avogadro's number. But when we have to find the number of moles when mass is given, we divided the atomic mass by molar mass. Last, when the volume of gas at STP is given, we divided the mass of solute by volume of solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Today we have discussed the whole mole concept with examples. We hope that you understand the whole topic.